Hey Anna, so I was reading up on the intelligence community lately, and it just sounds like they're really at a crossroads with AI?
Oh, absolutely, Stella. It's wild. The global race for AI supremacy, we're seeing adversaries moving so fast with agentic systems. It's truly a strategic necessity for the IC, not just some fancy tech. Totally urgent?
Right, I get that. But what does agentic AI even mean in this context? Are we talking about Skynet or something?
No Skynet, thankfully. Think systems that can generate code, act independently, automate cyber operations. They're handling tasks that used to take entire teams. China's military, for instance, they're already pushing intelligized systems, AI-driven development, so the US just can't fall behind. Not on speed, not on security. It's a huge, huge risk.
Wow. Okay, that's pretty intense. So, it sounds like there are huge opportunities for the IC, but also some really scary new vulnerabilities, right?
Totally. Agentic AI means accelerated software dev, more automation, but it introduces risky behaviors. An agent could access sensitive code, expose data, escalate privileges. We're moving from human in the loop to human on the loop because our human capacity for data processing, it's just reaching its limits?
Oh, that makes sense. So instead of manually approving every single step, it's more about setting the guardrails and then just kind of overseeing the whole process?
Exactly. Humans oversee, ensure accountability, intervene. It's about validating outputs, a delicate but essential balance.
That's a smart way to think about it. So how does the IC actually implement these safeguards? What are the practical steps they're taking to make sure this agentic AI is, secure?
That's the million-dollar question, right? It's all about securing the dev environment. First, control boundaries. Sandboxing agents in hardened environments, strict policies on tools, restricting data access. It's super critical. Think really tight control.
So basically, putting these AI agents in a very, very controlled box?
Precisely. And then intense monitoring, auditing every action, forwarding immutable logs for automated threat detection. It's like constant eyes on everything.
That accountability aspect is just, it's so huge. So all this technical stuff, does it tie into broader federal policy, or is the IC kind of doing its own thing?
Oh, it absolutely ties in. Memos like M2410 set expectations for AI deployment. The IC's AI ethics, human-centered, accountable, secure, align with NIST's framework. It's about translating these high-level policies into secure operational practices?
And how do they scale this across different agencies, since each one has its own unique needs?
ODNI sets guidance, focusing on guardrails and oversight, coherence, not centralization, shared baselines, trust, allows innovation, avoids fragmentation. The cost of inaction is too high, Stella. Oh, and definitely check out autonomouswarfare.ai for more insights.